Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystica Lani. So today we are going to do monthly reading for Virgos for the month of April 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. I'm sorry I couldn't do the readings for the month of March as I was traveling and busy with other things. So let's see what do the cards have here for you, Virgos, for April. Overall energy for Virgos, please, for April. Wow. Overall energy, please, for Virgos for April 2026. Overall energy for Virgos for April 2026. What's happening with Virgos in April 2026? Okay, let's see what are the key challenges we have for Virgos in April. Challenges for Virgos in April. Okay. What are the actions or advice we have for Virgos here? Alright. What are the strengths and opportunities we have? Okay. Probable outcome, please. Quick energies. Quick energies for Virgos. Quick energies for Virgos. Cards are just coming up. See? Okay. Alright. So, the overall energy for you, Virgo, I see is there is a growth coming in, especially when it comes to your finances. There are new opportunities being provided to you by the universe, being presented in front of you by the universe. Okay, it can be you might be getting into a new job. You might be, getting some kind of reward, recognition, promotion. For some of you, there is definitely growth happening. Okay, financially. Financial blessing coming your way in the month of April is what I'm seeing here, Virgos. And also you are, it's like you're moving ahead towards growth in your life. Okay, it will help you feel good. Basically, a new project coming your way, it will help you to grow. Okay, understand things from different level and some kind of recognition in an unexpected way might also come in. Maybe आपने पहले कोई investment किया था, उसका unexpected rewards you might get. आप invest करके भूल गए थे and उसका कुछ rewards आपको मिल सकता है, उसके बहुत अच्छे chances हैं. So there is a financial blessing coming your way in the month of April is what I'm seeing majorly. Okay. Now, Virgos, the challenge here or the obstacle for you I see is you are somewhere closed off at an emotional level. Okay, something is heavy on you to deal with emotionally and you are closed off. Okay, some of you, you are, your birthday comes on 9th and I don't know why I got that, but I got that very strongly. And you are emotionally closed off. I mean, closed off here is what is, आपने अपने emotions को suppress करके रखा है. You are not expressing it. You are, not sharing what is bothering you, and it is getting heavy on you to deal with. Okay, maybe बोलते हैं ना कि कोई ऐसा connection है जहाँ पे आप you want to share what you are going through at an emotional level, but आपको लग रहा है कि आप किसी से बोल नहीं सकते हो, कोई समझेगा नहीं. There is nobody to understand you what you are going through, and you want to open up in front of the person जो आपको judge नहीं करे, but you are not finding that connection, you are not finding that person with whom you can open up emotionally, and it is weighing you down. Okay, at an emotional level. I don't know, I'm feeling very heavy when I'm seeing this card, but yes, this is what is happening. So for you, what I would say is, you need to release your emotional suppression. Okay, जो भी आपने अपने emotions को suppress करके रखा है, आप please उसको release करिए. You need to write it down. अगर आप उसको रख नहीं सकते हो लिख के, आप उसको burn कर दो लिखने के बाद में. Write it in a paper, burn it in a safe place and just blow the ashes. Okay, and it will make you feel good. और कुछ नहीं तो आप प्लीज मेडिटेट करो थोड़ा सा. आप जब मेडिटेट करते हो तो जो भी आपके इमोशनल सप्रेस्ड इमोशंस होते हैं वो they start coming into your mind as thoughts or as visions, and you might feel like giving up. Don't give up. keep continuing. After few days, you will be, in a very good meditative stage, and it will help you to feel good or feel calm at an emotional level. Okay, is what I'm getting here. Now the actionable advice here is to open up emotionally again. ओके, यू नीड टू you need to meet people. अगर आपने अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर लिया है, यू हैव गॉन इनटू सॉलिट्यूड स्टेट, देन यू नीड टू मीट पीपल, यू नीड टू स्पीक. ओके, आप जिनसे आप इमोशनली कनेक्ट करते हो, आप उनसे बात करिए. ओके, उनके साथ आप अपने इमोशंस को शेयर करिए. इधर यू नीड टू go out and enjoy with your friends, have some celebration. ओके, लाइक माइंडेड जो आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, जो आपको इमोशनली समझते हैं, आप जिनके साथ इमोशनली कनेक्ट करते हो, उनके साथ मिलो, बात करो. देयर कैन बी सम काइंड ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन हैपनिंग. कोई गैदरिंग में जा सकते हो आप, किसी स्मॉल वेकेशन पे जा सकते हो. उस तरह की एनर्जी है विच विल हेल्प यू टू फील good. Okay, and if possible you can share what is bothering you or what you are going through with your closed ones, and it will also add up into your emotional release. Okay, that is what I'm getting here for you. Now the strength and opportunity is you don't give up, which is a very good thing. You don't give up. Even if you are wounded, you are not giving up. Keep going. Okay, whatever has happened, whatever you want to, you are going through is going to end. जो भी आपका challenging phase है life का, जो भी आपका tough situation से आप deal कर रहे हो, whatever it is, you are dealing with, it's going to end. Okay, don't give up. Just keep going. You are just wounded. As I said, something is heavy on you to deal with, and you are wounded. You are like, I am done. I can't take it anymore. It's enough. Enough is enough kind of energy. But no, don't give up. Keep going, and you will overcome this challenging phase of your life. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Now, the outcome. You are, something is already there, which is, a stable. Now it can be a job. आपके पास एक already एक stable job है, and now you are looking for some kind of a new thing in your life. For some of you, for very few of you, you are in a connection जहाँ पे आपको bounded feel होता है, and you are looking for something which will make you feel free. Okay, don't get me wrong, but I'm getting it strongly कि आप जिस connection में हो वहाँ पे आप, you were passionate, but now you feel bounded in that connection. आपको बंधा हुआ महसूस होता है उस connection में, and you are looking for something which will make you feel good. Now it can be looking for something doesn't mean I'm talking about only a connection and a, I'm talking about a human connection or a physical connection with a person. I'm talking about setting you free means आप कहीं relocate करने का सोच सकते हो, आप कहीं पे फॉरेन ट्रैवल का सोच सकते हो, आप कहीं पे मूविंग इनटू अ न्यू प्लेस ऑल टुगेदर हो सकता है. फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट कैन बी आपका फैमिली किसी दूसरे कंट्री में रहती है, एंड यू वांट टू explore, maybe for your growth, for your work, for setting yourself free from this energy. You are planning to move away from that particular situation, that city, that country, that state, anything. Okay, so जहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा सा you will be able to understand what is happening, and you will be able to focus on your work, follow your passion in a much more passionate way. Okay, is what I'm getting here. Now for some of you it can be आपका job है, now you want to diversify or start something, a side hustle kind of thing, जिसकी वजह से आपको कुछ नया इन्वेस्ट करने का आप प्लान कर रहे हो, कुछ स्ट्रैटेजी, कुछ प्लानिंग जैसी एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है. इज व्हाट इज यू आर डूइंग राइट नाउ. ओके, नाउ हियर फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट कैन बी जैसे होता है ना कि आप अपने फैमिली आपका यहाँ पे रहता है, फैमिली एज इन ऑल योर parents, your family all together, like your proper home is here in one place, and because of the work or because of other reasons you have to move to a different location altogether. So that is also kind of energy what I'm getting here happening, or you are thinking about it or making plans for it. Okay, is what I'm seeing running in your mind basically. So you are focusing on growth, you are focusing on doing things which can help you to be free, and focus on your work more passionately, focus on your passion, or focusing on investing in such a place, or in a hobby. It can be that जहाँ पे आपको you feel more alive, you feel more happening, you feel more connected, and basically feeling drawn towards it. Okay, so that is what the message here is, what I'm getting. Now let's see what is the guiding message. Great teacher. Wow, see, learn from spiritual experiences. See, this is going here with the hermit card. Okay, तो जो भी आपने अभी तक अपने लाइफ में लेसन्स लिए हैं, जो भी आपने एक्सपीरियंसेस आपके सोल ने एक्सपीरियंस किए हैं, आपने इस लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जो भी चीजें, यू नीड टू लर्न फ्रॉम ऑल दैट. ओके, आपने क्या सीखा है उससे. You don't have to run away. Now this can be running away from a particular situation also for some of you. Okay, I don't know, I got that strongly that you are running away from something in your life and trying to diverting your mind because of something which is heavy on you to deal with. Okay, so you don't have to run away from anything, rather you need to focus on your you need to focus on your lessons, learn from your experiences and be आप अपने lessons को अपने साथ में आगे लेके चलो. It will ultimately help your soul to grow for what we are all here in this planet, right? So that is what the message here is for you, Virgos. So if you have liked it, please do like this video. Please claim the positive energy from this reading, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.